Welcome each and every one of you to our second annual Art and Craft exhibition. We have in our midst our beloved chairman and president of Kanachur Group of Institutions, Aji UK Momu sir. Welcome sir. We have our chief guest Mr. N.S. Patar, for head of department of the painting department of Mahalsa College. Our guest of honor for this morning's function is our beloved Chairman Advisory Board, Professor Dr. M. Abdul Rahman sir. Welcome to you. I welcome our degree college principal, Professor Iqbal Ahmed. I welcome our PUC principal, Mrs. Hemlata, and all our staff, which has been done by the children over the last 3 months. We have had many workshops in the school, and this is the product of their workshops. Thank you very much.
To the teacher, to the principal, and all the staff and the children for having exhibited your talent. Every child has got inherent talent in a different form. One of the talent is, what is that? Very, very important. There are universities where very big departments are there about the visual arts. So once again, on behalf of the management, principal, teacher, I wish you all the students all the best, and I want the teacher to continue this inherent capacity of the children to be exhibited. Thank you.
and they are full supportive because of yes, sir. And I used to take these students in my home also whenever they had free time. And now I'm shifted in Mangalore. Before I was in Panjim house, then parents they are dropped their children. Then we do many works of like speculas, workshops, study house, pizza, and so on. And they full day they spend with us having lunch and everything. Then parents come and give you kind of Thank you so much.
In gratitude for our guest for taking the time off and coming here this morning to be with us, I call upon Chairman to please present our Chairman Advisory Board, Professor Dr. M. Abdul Rahman Sir, with a memento. Ma'am, to please present Chairman with a memento.
Dr. Abdullah sir and faculty and my dear students. Here displayed the works, art and craft works are displayed here. All works are very beautiful. Students have done according to their point of views. The expression of art forms, it is very good. Especially I feel very well in artworks. Artworks have lot of their creativity is there and their experiment works always represent their intuition, attitudes of their inner intuition. That is the very important. Art is not only putting the colors on canvas and paper. Art should come out from their heart. Art should come out from their intuition. That is the basic inherent. That is the basic ground of our way of expression of art. According to that, all works have very creative works. Here also, psychologically, you have to think. Pictures are not only the pictures; it represents the inner mind of the students. In Vedic period, all the masters were done experiment with the practical works. Practical works means we will get the experience. Experience is always permanently end of our life with us always. That is the true knowledge. Therefore, art is represent our inner attitudes, whatever it is, positive or negative. According to that, we can judge the IQ of the students. For example, I saw one painting of late Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi in his museum. When he was a child, he drew an aeroplane and as a pilot that was displayed in the museum. He was become a pilot also. Because therefore, artwork is not only art. You have to psychologically you have to analyze. You will get lot of things. You can guide it properly. Also, art, the practicing of art is always you work with your right brain. Right brain have number of cells. So they should be also activate. Therefore, totally I like all the works. One thing, I have to remember contemporary example I will give. Almost we will depend upon our smartphone. Means Google Guru. Almost all parents and students almost all surrender to Google Guru. It is too dangerous. We have to take reference only from the Google and global library in our smartphone. But smartphone always destroys smartly our creativity. That is the important thing. Whatever it is, we have to take properly. We have to use the smartphone because that attitude becomes will build up. Always we have to depend on another. That is not a good thing. But in education, we have to develop our personality, outward and inwardly. The art will help us to develop our personality. Thank you very much for this opportunities. Also, Chandrika madam had hard work here to reflecting her hard work in this display. Also, she is our college students. Also, I will give one advice to her. Number of students are working very well. You have to give opportunity to their competition. International online competitions are there. Shankar Children Delhi, they are organizing art competitions. You have to give a chance to participate in art competition. It will give some new dimensions also. Also, in of course, sir was discussed with me. Art only art sec. Now it is developed as a trade art also. It has degree courses, master degree courses are there. Also you can make a PhD also you can do in visual arts. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best to guide this creative students and madam and all the management, faculty and students. Thank you very much.
happy to welcome you for the second annual Art and Craft exhibition of Kanachur Public School. Here we have, first of all, I wish to thank our President, Mr. UK Monu sir, Haji UK Monu sir, the Chairman of the Advisory Board, Dr. M. Abdul Rahman sir, our fellow principals, Mr. Iqbal, Professor Iqbal Ahmed sir, Mrs. Hemalata, and everybody who are present here. Here the art and craft exhibition was organized from classes nursery to 10th standard by Mrs. Chandrika, who took so many months for training the children and getting things ready. So the art consists of pencil shading, pen art, acrylic painting, canvas board painting, emboss painting, glass painting, cloth painting, stone painting, and so many other things which you can very well see and enjoy. And I would like to thank Mr. Patar, the HOD of Kalasa Art School, Mahalasa Art School, and I would like to thank our administrator, Mrs. Vinita Gama Rose Mathais, and all the children. I would like to appreciate them on behalf of our management and every one of us. I would like to thank our correspondent, Mr. Abdul Rahman sir, and I would like to thank all our trustees who are silently helping us, guiding us through all the things throughout the year. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ನಮಸ್ತೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನಚೂರು ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಎರಡನೇ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ, ಚಿತ್ರಕಲಾ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ UK ಮೋನು ಸರ್, ಕರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಸರ್, ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಅಬ್ದುಲ್ ರೆಹಮಾನ್ ಸರ್, ಹಾಗೂ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟಿಗಳು, ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರು, ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವೃಂದ, ಪ್ರೀ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿಯಿಂದ ಹಿಡಿದು ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲ್ನವರೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮತ್ತು ಹೆತ್ತವರು ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾಕಂತೇಳಿದರೆ ಅವರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹದಿಂದ ಈ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನ ಮೆಟ್ಟಿಲನ್ನು ಏರುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಈ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಈ ಇನ್ನೂ 3 ದಿನದ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನ ನಡೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಈ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನದ ಜಾಹೀರಾತು ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಯಶಸ್ಸು, SLCಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ 100% ಪಾಸಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹಲವು ಹೆತ್ತವರು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ದಾಖಲಿಸಲು ತುದಿಗಾಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಅಧ್ಯಾಪಕ ವೃಂದ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಚ್ಛಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ನಯನಾ ವಿ ಅಮಿ.
Myself Chandrika, art and craft teacher of Kanachur Public School. This is our second art and craft exhibition. We have 2 various art exhibition we have various 2 types of exhibition. One is craft and one is art. In art there are different types of painting, around 18 types of painting we have. We have pencil shadings, acrylic, embossed painting, glass paintings, coffee painting, then spoons, spatulas, then the pot painting, many we have. Then even in the crafts we have lots of craft which is used by recycles, then the types of houses, then the baskets, then fairy house, many things our children have made. And I would like to thank our management, our principal, staffs, and who are involved in this event, then students, parents, and our press medias. I really thanks, and this is open for all. 3 days we have continued this program. Please everyone should come and visit our exhibition. Thank you.
This is art and craft exhibition in Kanachur Public School. We are the students of Kanachur Public School, which we are doing art and craft exhibition. We have various type of paintings in our art and craft exhibition. We the students of Kanachur Public School have did so many varieties of paintings and crafts. You all are invited for this exhibition.
I'm Harshit Hasifa from 7th D, and we are really excited. We were really excited. This will be our second exhibition. Like my mom and my friend told there are many kinds of paintings here. Like we have embossed paintings, pencil sketches, pen arts, and so on. We are really happy. It's all because of our teacher. We thank
From Yenepoya Medical College to see this exhibition, and it was such a pleasure to see different art forms put up by children as small as lower KG till grade 10th. A wonderful effort by the art teacher and a wonderful input by the students as well. So it was on and on a pleasure for a visual treat for all of us here.
Great effort by all the teachers here and the students here. Thank you all.
Dr. Satish from Yenepoya Medical College, husband of Chandrika, Arts and Crafts teacher of Kanachur Public School. Indeed, it was very spectacular to watch such a variety of arts and crafts works done by students. It's all students really have done a very commendable job. It was like very eye-catching. Some of the paintings are really I have never seen in my life, like that miniature art, how students have done in small papers and all. And even the crafts was very nice. Really enjoyed. I think that everybody who is in this vicinity of Derlagata and Mangalore should compulsorily visit this arts exhibition. It will be a really eye-feasting and you will never forget it.
How is it all this art?
Okay.
We are
Yes.
from Mangalore University. We have come here to watch the exhibition. It expresses the mind and the hard work of the teacher and the students. It's very nice to see.
They are parents of Tarun Tejas, 4th B. And this kind of exhibition is very much essential for the overall development of students. And even my son's drawing is displayed in this particular exhibition. And the pen art, stone arts drawn by the student is very well displayed here, and that attracts our interest also. And we thank Kanachur Public School for organizing this kind of event.
My name is Kazim Hushman. I'm doing my PhD Computer Science at Mangalore University. I have been in Mangalore since last year, 2018. So my kids, Murtaza and Mushtaba, they are studying at 3rd standard at Kanachur Public School, and they are doing very well here. They have studied in English medium. So since last year till now, they improved a lot in terms of English in Canada, in Hindi. They can write, they can read, and they can speak. I'm very happy that all these facilities are provided by Kanachur School. And not only academic things in studying to school, but they provided a lot of opportunities for students to grow their initiatives and abilities, and they improve their skills. So today I participated in exhibition of art and handcrafts of schools, and it was very excellent. I visited different paintings, initiatives and creativity from students. So also Murtaza and Mushtaba, they made some buildings from carton box, and it was exhibited there in the room. So it was excellent. I am very happy. Thank you very much. Thanks for the administration of this school for providing all these facilities for students. Thank you.